Good day to Dr. Dryden. Today we want to present about the Apple Learning Management System for University Tun Pusing on Malaysia. We are from Group 5 and my name is Fang Shi Yun and my group members is Chong Jing, Lye Ming Jie, Mabel, Jing and Ling Li. Next. So first I want to present the introduction. Next. So for the company background, to make it a one-stop center for Apple application and evaluations, as well as to provide the feedback and the guidance on the application, certification, and the admissions process based on the Apple. To guide candidates in the Apple evaluations, application process, and also manage the applications acceptance process and provide feedback on the evaluation data. Next. So for the selection of tool, we use the module to do the learning management system for the Apple. Because the module is an open source and free to use and got powerful set of student-centered tools. Furthermore, the modules is also provide the collaborative learning environment, configurable, flexible, and features rich. And last is various of module plugins. Next.
For the second part, I will present about the flowchart of the system. Next. There are three types of user, which are administrator, lecturers, and students. Next. So for the administrator flowchart, there are three functions provided to administrators, such as manage student, manage instructors, and manage courses. Next. Instructors can manage the learning materials such as video and notes, manage the assessments, and view student performance. For the student, next. For the student can download learning materials that given by their instructors, answer the assessment, use their student record, and review their performance report. Next.
For the following session, I would like to present security implementation in our project. There are two security implementation of our project, which are password policy and global security community. For password policy, there are checkboxes to specify whether the password complexity should be enforced. There is option to set the minimum password length, the minimum number of digits, lowercase character, uppercase, and minimum character, and the number of non-alphanumeric characters. If the user enters a password that does not meet those requirements, they will be given an error message indicating the type of problem with the password entered. And for the global security community, it's unlikely proprietary software where code is hidden and bug may exploited. The Moodle community constantly monitors the source code and collaborate in making it more secure through a robust policy process. Moodle is constantly monitored by the global security community by regularly conducting penetration tests and reporting findings. Next. Conclusion and future recommendation. The LMS Alpha is enterprise for Puta Alpha utilization with the aim of advertising academic staff in university and supporting the lifelong education agenda in Malaysia. In the LMS Alpha, the administrator is responsible for creating Alpha code and enrolling students in instructor by inserting their personal info. And for the recommendation for more security for our system is to update Moodle regularly on each release. This is because the public safety all expect the greater attention after release. The older the version, the more vulnerability that may be contained in it. Furthermore, administrators should regularly run security overview reports. They identify various configurations in our Moodle site that may pose a security risk, so any issue raised by the report should be investigated and action is taken if necessary. And lastly, users are recommended to use strong passwords. Choosing a difficult password is a basic security practice to protect against violent account hacking. That's all for me. Now I will pass to Jing to do the system demo.
Okay, so now we having our system demo. So
first, the admin need to log in by keying the password. And these are all the home page for the admin. And we can also view the profile of the admin. Okay, these are all the details, more, and the admin also can edit profile. After that, the admin also can add the course or delete any course. So in the example, we already added the Apple, tahap 3, 4, and 6, 7.
okay, so next we look at the one of the example in Mabel, the participant that we can view that already enrolled in Mabel 7 is got 20 participants, and we can able to select their role. For example, we select teacher and then we apply the filter. Hence, we can see that there are 10 lecturers enrolled in this Mabel 7 course. Besides that, we also can enroll another role, which is student. And we can see that there are 10, at least 10 participants formed. So next, we come to the home page. We can able to see there has 4 courses that created by the admin.
Then the admin can log out, and they can log in as log out, and then the instructor can log in. So the instructor need to key in the username and the password. Same goes to the lecturer. They can see all the information in the home page, and also they can view profile of their profile. Okay, course that the lecturer is enrolled in, and more, and they can also edit lah.
Okay, so now we look at one of the course, which is Apple Tahap 6. Lecturer can update and also upload the notes. For example, we change this topic 2 to project, and then enter. And then we can add the activity. Here we choose the file, and then we can name the file as project group 1.
And then we're able to upload the file from our desktop. For example, I upload project requirement, and then we can comment the note over here. And then we save and display. All right. And then we can see that here got the file that we upload and click inside. We can view the file. So next, move back. Now we log out.
So now we are going to log in as a student. So we key in the username and the password.
If there is different or incorrect password, there will be an error. So now we enter the correct one.
Okay. These are the home page for the student. And the student can view their own profile. They can view the course that are enrolled in and more, and edit profile.
Okay, so student, in its account, it can enter the course for having the note that upload by the lecturer. For example, we click the link that lecturer upload. We need to wait for a while because the video haven't been loaded. Okay, so next we can also take a quiz that the lecturer or the instruction that have created. So now let's try to have a quiz, and there is a time limited created for the lecturer, which is 20 minutes. So everyone.
What is
So
the name for Malaysia flag? Jalur
Cara
Gemilang.
gemilang.
Next,
How many states are there in Malaysia?
13.
13. Who are the head of government of Malaysia? Prime Minister, Perdana Menteri.
D. Good. Next,
How many strips are there in Jalur Gemilang? 14.
B.
Okay, general election must be held at least every.
5.
5.
What is the third national principle?
Kesetiaan kompetitif.
Kesewanan.
Keluluran perlembagaan.
Okay, good. Next,
What is the largest state in Malaysia? Sarawak.
Sarawak.
What is the name of Malaysian nation anthem?
Negaraku.
How many
88.
floors?
88.
What is the Bapak Kemerdekaan?
Abdul Rahman.
Okay, alright. So the 10 question is done. So we click the finish. Okay. So sure, want to change the answer?
Yeah.
No. So then we upload. Then we submit all and finish. And here we can see the correct answer. Alright, good. Then we finish view. Yeah, we got 10 to 10 mark, the highest grade. So we can click the quiz mark as done.
Alright, and then over here student can view their grade. Yes, we can see that there is the user report that show the quiz 1 is 100% that we get. And then we can view the over report. Alright, so in this over report, we already enrolled four courses, and we done one of it, so we only get one. So
Others, all they need to take it to get the grade, take the test.
good. Okay, so that's all for the demo system by using the Moodle. So that's all for our video presentations. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.